Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to ChatGPT Insights. Today we're diving into a fascinating development from OpenAI that's going to change the way you interact with their chatbot forever. You see, when it comes to choosing between different AI models, OpenAI has finally come clean on which ones to use for what tasks. Now, if you're new to ChatGPT, you might be wondering why this matters. After all, isn't one model just as good as another? Well, not exactly. Each of these models is designed to tackle specific types of tasks with varying degrees of success. So, let's get into it. OpenAI recommends using GPT-4o for everyday tasks like brainstorming, summarizing text, drafting and workshopping emails, and even generating creative content. That sounds pretty broad, but the key takeaway here is that this model is great at providing suggestions for those everyday tasks you'd normally do yourself. It's your go-to chatbot when you need a little nudge in the right direction. One of my favorite examples is using GPT-4o to summarize meeting notes into key action items. Now, I'm not saying you'll never use human judgment on this, but for those days when time is short and details get lost in translation, this model can be your trusted sidekick. And it gets even better with some extra creativity, like uploading sketches or screenshots to help the chatbot provide a more targeted answer. Now, if you're looking to take things up a notch, OpenAI has rolled out GPT-4.5 in preview, and while it's only available to paid subscribers for now, this model seems designed for tasks that require a bit more of everything: emotional intelligence, clear communication, creativity, and that collaborative approach to brainstorming. Think writing engaging LinkedIn posts about AI trends or drafting an apology letter with empathy. These are the kinds of tasks where GPT-4.5 can shine. On the other hand, we have the reasoning models like O3 and O4 Mini, models built to take on complex tasks like detailed plans, extensive coding, advanced math, science, and even visual reasoning. When you're working on something that requires a deep dive into specifics, these models are where it's at. You can ask them to come up with a risk analysis for market expansion or run a business strategy based on competitor data. The possibilities are endless. And then there are O4 Mini and O4 Mini High, models tailored specifically for fast technical tasks like extracting data points from CSV files, summarizing scientific articles, or fixing issues in Python. While all users can access these models, paid subscribers get access to even more detailed capabilities that walk you through the steps and explain complex concepts in everyday language. As someone who still hasn't found a regular use for ChatGPT's models, I'm not a coder, and generating AI art isn't really my thing. I have to admit this advice has opened up some exciting possibilities. Who knows, maybe one of these models will become your go-to tool for getting things done. So there you have it, the inside scoop on how OpenAI wants you to use their chatbot. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding which model is best suited for your task can make all the difference in achieving that perfect blend of efficiency and creativity. Thanks for tuning in to ChatGPT Insights.